Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here for doing English speaking practice, and today I'm going to speak about cricket match which I watched today, and going to explain how much I've grasped and how much I basically grasped the English commentary, because I've been watching the cricket matches over the English commentary only, because I feel like after listening to them I can able to basically do some sort of English practice. So this is also a great way if want to basically improve our listening skills. So let's jump into this video. So as I'm going to elaborate whatever the things which I've grasped. So it's a toss in the afternoon match this is, and this match is very crucial for Rajasthan Royals, who are like moving ahead to the qualifiers, because that is if they will not win today, so they will be basically not able to qualify in the next matches. So yeah, it was a very important match for them. So but yeah, in cricket matches every team is play for the win. So yeah, this match is very thrilling. Lots of people do not didn't know about like who is going to win till 15th of over. After that the match is one way, like everyone knows that Rajasthan Royals going to win. And yeah, there are multiple performers outperformance in these matches. Because of that, Rajasthan Royals able to qualify for the next matches. And if I talk about like Archer, who have taken like 3 wickets, and and in the batting, he also scored around 30 to 36 run, which is a very huge advantage to win the Rajasthan Royals, because most of the batsmen have already out, and there is one player who have scored run, who is like Archer. Like he have done basically the work by himself, and all the players basically inspired by his performance, and because of that they are also performing at the top level. And if I talk about like Mumbai Indians, they are basically performing well, but at the end they do not have some sort of backing like why we are winning this match. So because of that I feel like they didn't like compete too much, because till the 15th of over they are they are fighting. But after that I realized that they do not have motive to basically win. So that is why I feel like they just throw away this match to the Rajasthan Royal. I believe so, in my opinion. So yeah, this was a very wonderful match, and after there is next match as well, but there is no sense of watching that, because they already qualified. And other, if they do not qualify, so there are 3 teams which are watching to them. If Rajasthan Royal not qualify, there are Punjab Kings as well, and Kolkata as well, who are like thinking of like going to qualify. But yeah, they if they win, they have win the match. So nobody going to basically create a future thing that they are able to basically qualify. Yeah, this was a great thing. And so yeah, I've been like watching what we say 3 hours of commentary, and I'm going to basically write down the words which is I do not know about it. That's how I can add that vocabulary in my mind, and I can use that sentences while speaking as well. So yeah, and you can also suggest me lots of practice sessions which I can upload in the YouTube session. And yeah, for today's practice video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.